The Outdoor Plus presents how to install an electronic fire feature. The Outdoor Plus fire features are made to be plug-and-play ready, but there are necessary precautions to consider. Warning: the Outdoor Plus requires that all gas installations be installed by a certified gas installer and electrical technician. Step 1. Material preparations. See what is included with the fire feature and the tools required to complete the job. Please feel free to pause the video at any time to review all diagrams and important visual information. Step 2. Preparing your installation. The Outdoor Plus fire bowls have a standard 3.5-inch hole on the base and are hollow within. Please make sure to pre-plumb your gas lines and electrical conduit to be centered on the column. Top also recommends having a hollow column with an access door for easy access to the work area. Gas pressure requirements. Gas pressure is essential to the proper functioning of the electronic valve. Please purge all gas lines prior to installation of the fire bowls. Test your gas pressure with the manometer at the gas stub for each fire feature. For natural gas applications, the Outdoor Plus recommends getting at least the nominal gas pressure with 7 inches of water column and 1/4 psi. With maximum gas pressure at 14 inches water column and 1/2 psi, this will produce a bigger than normal flame, so keeping your gas pressure between maximum and nominal would be highly recommended. For liquid propane applications, the Outdoor Plus recommends getting at least the nominal gas pressure with 11 inches of water column and 1/3 psi, with maximum gas pressure at 14 inches water column and 1/2 psi. Electronic requirements. Here's an illustration of our 12 to 14 volt transformer showcasing how the wires should be connected for optimal performance. Here is a quick visual rundown of how the transformer is set up. Do not use silicone or caulking on the base of our fire features. You must use the provided fire plate when installing our features. Do not place a 12 to 14 volt transformer inside the fire feature. Place the transformer a minimum of 5 feet away from a body of water and at least 1 foot above the ground on a wall. Do not use a yellow gas flex hose. This will create a loud whistling sound. Instead, please use a stainless steel whistle-free flex hose when connecting your gas lines. Do not use anything less than 12 gauge wire. This particular installation used 14 gauge wire and did not get enough power to the electronic system. Our electronic fire features are compatible with home automation and pool controllers. There are many factors involved with electronic ignition units, which include distance, amount of bowls connected to one transformer, and wire type. For the amount of bowls, you may connect up to 4 bowls to a single transformer. For the wire type, we always recommend 12 to 6 gauge wiring for all electronic ignition fire features, depending on the distance. Warning: wire gauge is a significant factor when installing electronic fire features. We do not suggest using anything less than 12 gauge wiring for our electronic ignition features. Do not treat the electronic fire features as landscape lighting, which typically require 14 gauge wiring. Step 3. Mounting/vent bracket installation. The mounting/vent bracket is required for all fire bowl installations. Not using the mounting bracket will void the warranty. Use the mounting bracket as a template to drill pilot holes for the anchor screws. You may use your own preferred anchor screws for this installation. Place the bowl on the top of the mounting bracket and use the provided mounting plate and nuts to fasten the mounting bracket to the bowl. Warning: the Outdoor Plus requires that all gas installations be installed by a certified gas installer and electrical technician. Step 4. Installing the electronic valve. When installing one electronic fire feature, use the information provided on Step 2. Simply connect your 14 volt wires to the leads on the electronic valve and connect the whistle-free flex hose to the valve. Please ensure that you have enough gas pressure and use the appropriate gauge wire to each fire bowl. Here is a visual for installing 2 to 4 electronic fire bowls with one transformer. The Outdoor Plus highly recommends using the home run method, which connects the 2 bowls individually to the 14-volt wires from the transformer. Do not daisy chain the electronic fire bowls. Step 5. Testing for gas leakage. Apply a mixture of soap and water to all gas fittings. Only turn on your gas and check for any bubbling on the gas fittings. If there are bubbles, apply pipe dope to the gas fittings and repeat the leak test. If there are no bubbles, your fire feature is ready for use. You may now apply the soap and water mixture liberally to the gas fittings. You may turn the gas on, but do not turn on the electronic fire feature. Step 6. Testing the fire feature. After testing for gas leakage, you may now turn on the fire feature. Test the fire feature without any fire media added for easy troubleshooting if there are any problems. Step 7. Applying fire media. Warning: use only fire-rated glass or lava media and do not cover the pilot igniter with media. No more than 1 inch of burning media should cover the burner. The Outdoor Plus does not recommend to use any fire media that is less than 3/4 inch in size. Adding more fire media may cause damage to the bowl and components. The Outdoor Plus does not suggest applying fire media for liquid propane applications. Propane gas is heavier than natural gas and may cause severe damage if applied. The Outdoor Plus provides complimentary fire-rated lava rock with each firebolt order. Your installation is now complete.